Students, today you will learn how you can insert an image in HTML page. As you can see on the screen, I already have added HTML tag, body tag, and paragraph tag, which is displaying a sentence. This is a flower. For example, I just want to insert an image below this sentence. For that, in HTML, we are having a image tag, img, image tag only. And then it is having an attribute src. Src stands for source. Then equal to. Here you need to write the name of your image file within a double quotes. So for example, you are not having any image right now, so you have to search an image from your system. You have to write the complete path. So in my case, I'm just minimizing it, and you can see here there is a one image on a desktop, that is a flower.jpeg. Okay, flower.jpeg. So I'm just going to write the name, same name here within double quotes, jpeg. Then it is also having an attribute alt equal to. For example, if for any reason the computer is not able to display an image, in that case it will display a message. For example, I'm showing here error. For example, this message you want to display in case computer is not able to display that image. So this is the tag. You can see img, then space, then src equal to, then name of the image, same image, uh, alt, then equal to message, whatever the message you want to write, error message. Now save this file. Please all of you keep your file save on the same place where you have saved your image. In my case, on a desktop I'm having image, so I'm writing for example here page 1, like this, page 1 dot html. I'm saving it. You go to the desktop, click on page.html. You can see here now. Now you can see here is showing this is a flower and this is showing the image. That's all.